Hey guys, Chris with Velocity here, out of the Hilton Head Concours, showcasing a couple of our vehicles. I want to go through this vehicle right here that we got. It's a 1967 Ford Mustang, a full Restomod by Velocity Restorations. We've been doing builds since 2011. Really featured here, beautiful spec in Neptune blue, graphite stripes over the top. We got a Gen 3 Coyote V8 up front, 10R80 10-speed. It really translates through the whole vehicle here. A full bespoke interior. You're really getting the best of both worlds, the reliability of a Restomod, but also that classic nature of driving, you know, what the best Mustang, in our opinion, has come to exist. So here, you know, you got all the safety natures, 6-piston front brakes, 4 in the rear, full frame build, so it's not a unibody. You're really getting a lot of that rigidity and road drive. So we're really pleased to have this out here, enjoying the space. If you want to learn more about this vehicle or any of our other builds, go to velocityrestorations.com. Love to see you.